This committee will not watch as individuals within the NHIF mismanage the public money. NHIF is one of the key institutions that this government intends to deliver on its universal health care. And as a committee, we'll ensure that we hold the NHIF accountable for that. More often when we ask for an inquiry like this, you'll find that changes are done in the ministry to frustrate the committee in terms of its investigations, where you have officers maybe being deployed somewhere else, being removed from their various places of work, and being taken to other areas. We have the powers to summon even those officers who have been, who might be taken to somewhere else. So for smooth running, we intend that let's maintain the status quo of those officers until this inquiry is over. But this does not interfere with the recruitment of the NHIF CEO and senior management. It does not in any way interfere with it. That one, the NHIF can go ahead, recruit the CEO, but those other officers will still hold them accountable for this.